Okay, DIY. I've learned to always check that button. It's a brand new mixer, and I was using it the first day and the button, the side button jammed. So it just spun around by itself until it all got tangled up, broke the lead and turned itself off. Now getting back to this this waterproofing, I reckon in Australia it's the most corrupt thing ever, because this guy was a licensed waterproofer, and as soon as I stepped foot in here I could see so many faults with it. It's guaranteed to leak. So I said to the owner, mate, unfortunately it needs to be done properly, and the proper way of doing it is, now these days, you're waterproof on top of the screed. You've got your pre-fall or pre-slope. There's things I can show you that I've taken pictures of that are absolute criminal, and I reckon the licensing system is so corrupt. I could talk all day on it, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to go there. Don't get me started. Anyway, so what I'm doing is I'm screeding it, creating pre-slope, and then I come back and I'll waterproof it, and then lay my tiles over the top. This guy was meant to be licensed. Well, I've done bathrooms that the DIY has done it themselves from watching my videos, and they've done a way better job. And this guy is meant to be licensed. Well, what a joke. Anyway, the bath is going here, toilet's going there, so we need to be pretty flat and level, which we are, because all the pads have been put in with a laser. So what we're going to have here, people, is another happy customer and another beautiful bathroom. Pop a sponge in that so we don't get mud down the waist. We're using a nice big tile in this bathroom, 6x6. It'll come out a treat. This is going to be a bit of a feature wall. behind the bath. It'll look cool. But that's going to be a shelf for the bath, so it needs to have a nice bit of slope on it and be waterproofed properly. Like, this guy should be shot with the ball of his own shit. That's putting it simply. And when a person comes along and works from his heart and sees that sort of thing, whoa. See you soon. Woo! There's heaps more to learn yet, people. This is Chris O signing off. Stay tuned. Bye.